That's why we're going to Eleanor's.
Wait, what?
I was talking to Serena, and she said that Eleanor is having something called a pop-up fashion show.
Pop. Pop.
She said that Eleanor is having something called a pop-up fashion show.
Mother, it's very last minute.
Miss Blair keep girls on busy schedule.
Schedule. Schedule.
Miss Blair keep girls on busy schedule. Miss Blair keep girls on busy schedule. Must beat drum, she says.
Drum. Drum.
Must beat drum, she says. Must beat drum, she says. Baby beat Dorota's stomach like Lars from Metallica.
Stomach. Stomach.
Baby beat Dorota's stomach like Lars from Metallica.
Chuck!
Did you send security to kick me out?
Kick. Kick.
Did you send security to kick me out?
Vanessa, I'm seriously so happy for you guys.
Hey,
Seriously. Seriously.
I'm seriously so happy for you guys.
hey.
Gotta take back your pride, babe. All right, I'll admit it's actually kind of brilliant.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
All right, I'll admit it's actually kind of brilliant.
No, that's not a terrible idea. Why don't you do a date night inspired by one of his favorite films?
Inspire. Inspire.
One of his favorite films. Why don't you do a date night inspired by one of his favorite films?
He would definitely not be expecting that.
He's so
Definitely. Definitely.
He would definitely not be expecting that.
he's so
You hate it?
I'd forgotten how talented you are.
Talented. Talented.
I'd forgotten how talented you are. After the show is over, you and I need to have a talk about finding you a more permanent position with Waldorf Designs.
Yeah.
Permanent. Permanent.
Position with Waldorf Designs.
Yeah.
Here, we've all been players in a Jack Bass plot. The reappearance of my mother, a lawsuit.
Lawsuit. Lawsuit.
Reappearance of my mother, a lawsuit.
And all this time we thought Chuck got his dark side from his father. Maybe his mother's the one that's evil.
If she is,
Evil. Evil.
His mother's the one that's evil.
if she is,
Did a DNA test. It was his guy at the NYPD.
Yeah, no, but he probably just sent out to a lab. I mean, I wouldn't put it past.
Lab. Lab.
But he probably just sent out to a lab. I mean, I wouldn't put it past.
Bring a whole new meaning to high fashion.
taking candy from a baby.
Candy. Candy.
Candy from a baby.
Love, he is using you. He's stealing my hotel, and then he will leave you.
I know he's not perfect.
Steal. Steal.
Stealing my hotel, and then he will leave you.
I know he's not perfect.
There are so many friends at NYU.
Yeah, though at $300 an hour they don't come cheap.
Cheap. Cheap.
$100 an hour they don't come cheap.
Wine was amazing.
Mama Shay, just like
What Grace Kelly brought Jimmy Stewart, that's right, yeah.
Grace. Grace.
Kelly brought Jimmy Stewart, that's right, yeah. What do you think Daniel bit over there was about?
I was just trying to put a little mystery in our relationship, but if you'd rather just
Mystery. Mystery.
put a little mystery in our relationship, but if you'd rather just do the same old thing.
Hey! Oh no, I'm sorry. I was just gonna pick up my 12 string.
No, why don't you stay?
String. String.
Oh, why don't you stay?
Oh, no, I'm sorry. I was just going to pick up my 12-string.
No, why don't you stay? I made dessert.
No, this is clearly...
Dessert. Dessert.
I made dessert.
No, this is clearly...
Store.
The clothes speak for themselves. Unfortunately, our stores will never carry your mother's line.
Unfortunately. Unfortunately.
Will never carry your mother's line. If this is the type of clientele that will be attracted to Conwell's.
What? It attracts all kinds. Everyone is here.
Yeah, I can see that.
Attract. Attract.
It attracts all kinds. Everyone is here.
Yeah, I can see that.
I saw you at Eleanor's. All I could think about was payback for last year. And then Damien's party favors just happened to fall into my lap. What, do you think I was gonna...
Lap. Lap.
Party favors just happened to fall into my lap. What, do you think I was gonna...
So this is fantastic. I didn't realize you made flan.
I got the recipe off the internet.
Oh.
Recipe. Recipe.
Off the internet.
Oh. Son, I have to tell you, this date is a disaster. What's going on? She has this idea that we're...
Disaster. Disaster.
It's a disaster. What's going on? She has this idea that we're...
You whore and a half. You couldn't just keep it in your pants. Conwell was about...
Pant. Pant.
Keep it in your pants. Conwell was about...
The idea there'd be clients here tonight. It was a total surprise.
I bet it was.
Bet. Bet.
This is Jessica and Bethany. Were you hoping to catch me in a compromising position?
Lou, how you...
Compromise. Compromise.
Hoping to catch me in a compromising position?
Lou, how you...
Hoping to catch me in a compromising position?
Lou,
High school, don't you think? Leave the plotting to the experts. Bethany, where are you...
Plot. Plot.
The experts. Bethany, where are you...
Manhattan is an island in more ways than one. What works for you and yours doesn't necessarily translate to me and mine.
Translate. Translate.
Doesn't necessarily translate to me and mine.
I don't know where I am. I feel sick.
Okay.
Sick. Sick.
I feel sick.
Okay.
How you feeling?
Steadier. How do I look?
Steady. Steady.
Steadier. How do I look? Yeah, sorry I'm late. The show was great though.
Yeah, there were no cabs, so I just figured...
Cab. Cab.
Yeah, there were no cabs, so I just figured...
But... the bow goes on the right.
Bow. Bow.
The bow goes on the right.
Tell me you're not having fun.
No, I am, but this isn't a date. This is what we always do.
I know, yeah, except now we get to do this.
Except. Except.
I know, yeah, except now we get to do this.
But most girls get tired of the same old look.
Tire. Tire.
But most girls get tired of the same old look.
You destroyed your relationship with your son. What else do you have besides me?
Besides. Besides.
What else do you have besides me?
I told Chuck I wasn't his mother. And that he deserves someone better than me.
But I'll warn you.
Warn. Warn.
But I'll warn you.
And that he deserves someone better than me.
But I'll warn you. You're taking off just when it's about to get fun.
Fun. Fun.
You're taking off just when it's about to get fun.